In a quiet corner of the forest, he finds what most people would overlook, a massive root system from a fallen tree. But to him, it's the perfect foundation for a shelter. He starts by clearing out the dirt packed between the roots, opening space for the structure. Every movement is calm, controlled, nothing rushed. Then he levels the ground, preparing a solid base. This isn't just digging. It's shaping the terrain to work with the forest, not against it. Next, he cuts and sets the logs. Each piece of wood is measured, aligned, and placed with precision. No machines, no shortcuts, only skill and patience. As the walls rise, the shelter begins to blend naturally into the landscape hidden under the protective roots. By the time he finishes, it's more than a simple hut. It's a safe, solid refuge built with technique, experience, and respect for the wilderness.